And Nina?
Yes, ang role ko dito is si Mara. Siya yung sister ni Father Javi. And may mangyayari kasing experience which will ultimately lead to her death. And yun siguro yung experience din will shape the way Father Javi sees things. And I think lahat ng mga na-experience ni Father Javi after that will always lead back to what happened to Mara.
So you died mysteriously?
Mysteriously, yes. Nalaman niyo ako naman ang nangyari sa kanya.
In the course of the movie. How was it working with Direct Mark?
Sobrang cool talaga ni Direct Mark.
And that's the word.
Yeah. That's sobrang cool. I watched the video where lahat ng sinabi ko cool kasi cool talaga. And talaga, well, he's cool. Tsaka hindi siya, even though the movie is really scary and mahirap talaga yung ginawa namin, hindi naging heavy yung set.
Yeah.
Sobrang light lang. Surprisingly, kasi I was expecting it to be a heavy set kasi ang hirap talaga ng ginawa namin dito. And it's such a heavy and it's a creepy story. So, nagulat ako na sobrang light lang and everybody was having fun. So, ayun. Ako naman, I've heard stories. I have friends who have experienced that. And I just remembered now, my mom, nagkwento siya, pero hindi nangyari sa kanya directly. She studied kasi in a Catholic school also. I think one of her classmates had that. She told me they were playing Spirit of the Glass, kaya nangyari siya. I'll ask her again later if tama yung narinig ko from her before. But yeah, I remember her making kwento about that. And I think, I believe there might be still exorcisms being done. But yun nga, I think the point of our movie also is to let people know na, hey, maybe these things are happening. Kasi in the States, they have a lot of exorcism movies. Dito, siguro konti lang. So, hopefully, our movie will help people know that this happens in real life.
Well,
Wala naman masamang nangyari, but there was one scene that I did with Kuya Tom na, because I was so into the scene, nung nag-cut na si Direk, Kuya Tom said, Ina, parang may sugat ka. So when I checked it, I didn't even feel it. Meron nga talaga.
Sa tinidor?
Oh, because we used the real fork talaga, and it was here. I have a picture of it back. So, I guess, tumusok talaga siya. Nangyari talaga siya. So, it was funny, and when that happened, it was really, really funny kasi after the whole take, wala, andyan na siya. But I wasn't scared. I didn't feel like I should be scared na because I'm doing that scene, may mangyayaring masama, or we might be entertaining the idea of the devil to like go inside our soul or something. Pero so far wala naman. And I guess it's because of the energy also of the set. Because it was so light, hindi siya mabigat, kaya parang hindi naman nakaka-attract yung energy ng set namin. So, yun. So far, hindi naman nakaka-attract. We weren't worried about that.
Itong si mo, yung character mo?
Yes, ako si Mara dito. Siya yung
na-possessed na sister.
Na-possessed na sister ni Kuya Tom na si Father Javi. And may mangyayari kasi kay Mara, kaya siya mamamatay. Malalaman niya kung pinanood nyo. So, lahat, I think, for me, kasi when I read the whole script, parang yung nangyari kay Mara with Father Javi, yun yung magiging foundation ng buong movie. And what happens to Father Javi after that, may mga mangyayari, may mga experience, may mga incident mangyayari with Miles, with Jasmine. So lahat yun will remind them of what happened to his sister.
So ano sabi mo, merong binigay sa iyo si Jake na protection mo?
Yes. Ano siya? Kasi si Jake ang dami niyang rosary.
Talaga?
Madami talaga.
Maano siya? Ma-religious sa ganung ano?
Ang alam ko yung, Oo.
Sinabi ko sa kanya, Ma, pilot
Very,
fish na ako.
especially, lalo na yung dad niya, religious talaga.
So nag-rosary talaga siya?
Meron lang siya, I'm not sure. Pero hindi kasi ako Catholic, born again Christian ako. So, siya Catholic siya. So,
Ang sabi niya, ito.
ang dami niyang rosary kasi. So, binigyan niya ako ng maliit lang na yun, the whole shoot, dala-dala ko siya. Tapos,
Ano sabi niya? Ano ito para, safe ka?
protection, and ako kasi, I go to church. May group din ako na born again. So, yung best friend ko kasi, ano siya, asawa ng pastor. So, and may Bible study kami every Tuesday. Ngayon wala. Every Tuesday before, lagi kami may Bible study. So, she would always pray for me and she would tell me what, kung ano pwede kong i-pray before I do the scenes.
Ano yung kwento mo na yung sa eksena nyo ni Tom, na-possess ka, nagkasugat ka, ano yun?
Hindi ko sis, pwedeng sabihin ko ano nangyari kaya nagkaganon. Pero, kasi sobrang may element na ako eh. So, hindi ko masyado napapansin. So, after namin na-shoot yun, I don't remember if it was here. May picture ako eh. Wait, harapin ko. Nung nangyari kasi yun, wala akong naramdaman at all. Kasi syempre may adrenaline rush pa.
Ito yung, may demonic possession.
Yeah. Tapos, after the scene, I don't remember if it was here or if it was here. May napansin si Kuya Tom, hanapin ko lang, na parang may gash sa neck ko.
Oh my gosh!
Sabi niya, Ina, sugat ba yan? Sabi ko, ha? Sabi niya, yan. So when I felt it, akala ko dumi lang or parang corn syrup or whatever.
Sugat nga?
Tapos bigla siyang sumakit. Sabi, tinignan ko, ay, sugat pala siya.
Talaga may sugat?
Hindi ko kasi namalayan.
Pero wala siya there before?
Wala siya there before. Tingnan ko lang kung
sige.
mahanap na ganyan talaga or so. Na dumumpi talaga sa skin ko.
So
may chance na
Yun talaga yun. Kasi before that, wala talaga.
So ano mo ng fork yung leg mo?
Yung leg ko. Oo. Ay, shit. Hindi ko namalayan eh. Wait lang, Kuya Alan na. Ligo ako and everything. So, nung naligo na ako, wala. Meron talaga. Tapos meron pa akong malaking paltos after that dito na nagsugat din siya.
Pero yung eksena nyo talagang violent.
Yeah, yun yung eksena na sinapian talaga ako. And I was holding a real fork. Talaga.
So pwede yung fork yun na ganun mo?
Yeah, kasi hindi ko siya napansin eh. Pero after sinabi ni Kuya to, maliligo na ako, sakit na. As in, because sobrang adrenaline rush, hindi ko talaga
May chance nga na hindi mo
naramdaman.
lang naramdaman.
Kasi napansin niya, for him na mapansin niya na may sugat talaga, it must have come from the scene that
Si Miles, estudyante nito, ikaw ganun din. O magkakilala
Yes,
ba kayo?
I think,
Magkaiba?
well, hindi naman yun na-establish masyado. I mean, the whole movie naman. All throughout, andun naman ako sa movie. But yung, hindi na-establish masyado. Pero, yun nga, like what I said
Kasi
kay Kuya
bumabalik
Alan,
yung alaala eh, no?
For me, kasi when I read the whole script and when I finished it and when we did it, yung nangyari kay Mara with yung sister ni Father Javi, kung ano nangyari kay Mara, yun yung naging foundation ng movie. For me, so far, ito yung pinaka-challenging na ginawa ko. Kasi, syempre, the whole time that I was in GMA, ang mga ginagawa kong, lagi akong may love team or something. Syempre, I'm not saying na ayoko na. Or, syempre, you want to do something different. And, syempre, mas matagal si Jake sa showbiz. So, mas kilala siya. My parents also. So, iniisip, before I found out about this, iniisip ko na I want to do something that will separate me from from the shadow of Jake, the shadow of my parents. Para naman there's something that I can be proud of na ako lang.
So, feeling mo ba, being loved in Jake, sa mo, parang hindi mo na-prove yung sarili mo, yung identity mo?
Hindi. I'm happy. I'm super happy na may following kami ni Jake. And lagi niya akong tinutulungan. Like, whenever we do a scene, lagi niya akong tinutulungan ko siya. I'm super happy. Pero, syempre, I wanna...
Maganda rin yung may mga sarili kayong,
Oo, kasi siya meron
Yes.
So, I want to do the same thing also. And I'm happy kasi sobrang supportive siya. Sobrang supportive siya. Sobrang excited din siya to watch this.
O, doon lang tayo sa